Hi everyone, I'm Jen. Welcome back to another long video and not a YouTube shorts like I have been lately. Today we're going to be restocking some of my items in my shop. I've sold about 4 things already this month and I'm very happy. But now I have to restock them. And I'm happy that they're buying them, but I'm just like, oh, now I have to remake them. But I love making them, so I have to restock a rainbow hood, a rainbow keychain, a gender fluid keychain, and a arrow ace hood. So right now I'm going to do the rainbow stuff because that's the flag that I need the most. Rainbow is actually pretty popular, I guess. The bandana is still available in my shop as of right now as I'm recording this. By the time you see this, I don't know if it will be, so my shop link is in the description below. I will have it also in the comments for those that don't read the description. So anyway, I have my yarn with me. It's right now it's currently a little after 7 p.m. So I don't know how much time I'm gonna have. I have work at 10:30, so we'll see how much I can do right now. I do crochet at work, but I have to, you know, actually do my job, so I don't get a lot done. Sometimes I do, depending on how quiet it is, but yeah. Let's get started. I have my rainbow right here. It's super cute. Yep. And then my Primark rainbow bag. The only corporate thing I bought for Pride Month, because I didn't bring a tote bag and I bought too much at Primark. I was like, how did I forget a bag? I didn't think I was gonna be buying that much, so I bought a bag. I saw a rainbow, snatched. It's a tote bag I'm gonna use for my my yarn bag now for when I go to work. So yeah, I don't like that I bought it, but you know, it is what it is. So all right, let's get started. Hi everyone. It's been like 3 or 4 days since that last clip. So I finished the rainbow hood and I finished the keychain. Ta-da, it's already back up on the shop, so by the time, if you see this, if it's still available, grab it because it sold out pretty quickly last time. I was very surprised. Here's the keychain. I forgot to put this back on the listing, so I need to do that. I feel like garbage today, so I do apologize. But yeah, I've been a little busy too, so so now I want to work on the gender fluid keychain. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, I need to empty out my bag. Okay, I was working on like another project before. Some weird project. Don't mind me. I don't even remember what color I need. I can always look at the other picture, the other thing. I think I need black. Black is definitely one of the things I needed. Okay, let me get the gender fluid like bandana. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I have black. I need purple. Like a dark purple. White. I don't need that much. Blue. Once again, I don't need that much because it's just the keychain. And pink. Luckily, I have about 3 or 4 more skeins of this color because I knew I needed a lot, because a lot of flags actually need this color. So, all right, I got my pink. I just have to get my keychain stuff. Since my last video, I have not gotten an order. So far I have 4 orders for the entire month, so that's exciting. So hopefully by the time I record the next video, I'll be having another order, but who knows? My crochet stuff is in there. I just need to get the keychain. There we go. Okay, so everything I bought, like both of these things, are from Amazon. I believe I got it in like a pack or whatever. But all you gotta do is just look up like keychain stuff. I like the little clasps, the clasp one, not just this one. So, all right, let's get started. Oh my god. Okay, so last night at work I finished this Arrow Ace Pride Flag hood, so that's restocked already. I'm good to go. I also, oh my god, I also got an order last night, and what did I say I wanted an order for? A bandana, and it's the pansexual Pride Flag bandana. So I haven't had a bandana order in a month, so I'm super happy I get to sell another bandana. And this is the last of the store-bought of these. All the rest are black for this size specifically. This is 8.5 by 11.25. So I'm really happy I get to just use the last one of this, and super excited. So I'm going to get this ready for packing, and then I'm going to put this back upstairs where the rest of my products are, and then I'll be able to restock this pansexual Pride Flag bandana, and then everything will be stocked, and then I get to work on a new design that I haven't actually made for my shop yet at all. So this is a flag that I've been wanting to do, haven't been able to do it. I have another flag in mind that I actually want to do for like a whole collection, but haven't gotten around to it. So but yeah, I am very excited for this order, and it's going to a new state I haven't shipped out to. I have a map showing everything that I have ever shipped to. It's going to be right here all over in the United States. I've shipped to a lot of states. I'm still missing a couple, so if you're a state that is white, that is not, you know, like pinked out or whatever, that's the color the app uses. I forget what app it's called, but yeah, I'm so excited. Hopefully one day I'll have an order from all 50 states. So yeah, here goes nothing. Yes, hello. It's the next day. I lost to Yarn Chicken, unfortunately, last night at work, and that's the dog. And now I have pink yarn with me. My idiot self forgot to pack an extra skein. So we're gonna finish it right now. I got another order this morning, so I am not restocking that for this video. I'm just gonna restock it off camera, because at this point, It's a lot. It's getting to be a lot. I didn't realize how busy I would be this month. I'm very happy because I'm just gonna keep restocking it as I go, but if it gets to a point, I might have to wait. Luckily, I don't have anything else going on other than my full-time job that I work nights. So, all right, got my scissors, got my hook, got my needle. Okay, so let's get started by finishing this. It's probably gonna take me another 20 minutes, probably. Alright, that didn't take 20 minutes. That took like 10. Not even. But yeah. Yay, we're done. So that was fun. And that's everything I have for you all for this video. Thank you all for watching. Sorry about my dog complaining about the correct human that's not home yet. So anyway, yes, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying it, and I hope you enjoyed it and other shorts that I have been posting. Be sure to follow me on my other social media platforms that I post on, mostly Instagram and Threads. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!